Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix RedotPay identity verification rejected. Now, if you don't have a RedotPay account yet, you can use the link that is given in the description in order to sign up, and you are going to get $5 welcome bonus absolutely for free. Now you need to first of all launch your RedotPay application. Over here on the home page itself, you are going to see one of the banners which is going to basically show you that your RedotPay identification verification is rejected. So you need to simply tap on that option, and on the next page it is going to show you the reason why it basically happened. So next time when you are basically re-verifying your identity, you need to make sure that your full name, your date of birth, the document number are exactly matching with your government issued ID. Even a small spelling mistake or the missing information can lead to a failed verification. Also, you need to retake the clear photo of your ID in the bright, well-lit area. Ensure that the entire documents that you are using are visible. All the four corners are captured and the image isn't blurry or covered with any kind of reflections. Also, you can face problem because of the facial recognition. So when you are completing the facial verification, you need to make sure that the camera is in front of you and you are also following the on-screen instructions. Remove any kind of sunglasses that you wear, or do not wear any kind of mask or hat, and that's how you can do the face verification. So you can just keep these things in mind, and you can try the verification process and see if it is now successful. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.